Hi guys, raining hard out there, so sorry about the background noise. Right, bit of 3D printing here. Spotted something online, probably on Pinterest, that was a little bit more complicated than this, and I wondered if I could make a simple version. It's a, what can we call it, a height scribe, something you can put a pencil through and use it to draw a line, I don't know, along the side of a box or something so it stays at the same height. And I think the one I was looking at actually clamped the pencil in place, whereas all I've done here is drilled, well, I haven't even drilled, made lots of holes, and I've got to knock out the fillers so we've actually got the hole, and then we should be able to push a pencil straight through. Now the problem is, depending on what size I've made those holes, the pencil will either be a loose fit or too tight to go through. So I've got to think how I can get round that. I mean, some of them I can just hold it still if it's a loose fit, or we might have to wrap a bit of tape around it or something to make it a good fit. Anyway, first thing I've got to do is get the fillers out, or infills, or whatever we want to call them, and that's probably going to take me a bit of time. So we'll come back later when I've done it. So I've just started on that one. Don't know if I can just punch them straight through. You get one out, at least you can see what I've got to do. No, that's not going to come out easy. Right, I will work on them, get them all out, and then show you the finished article. Right, found a quicker way to do it. I've just been too gentle. Well, some of them have come out anyway. Yeah, you get the general idea. I'll finish that off. Well, that was fun. Some of them needed a little bit more encouragement than the others. I got them all out in the end. So yeah, that's what we're doing. In fact, if I'm using a low hole like that, I can put my finger in there and hold it in place as it goes along. So you draw a line along like that. Can't see that. Can you see that? Oh, just about. Get the light in the right direction. I should have come prepared with some light coloured cardboard boxes or something to draw on. I wonder if that felt tip pen will fit. Ooh, just. That's all we wanted. So we wanted another hole lower down. This becomes quite important when I want to mark out a rubber band powered car made out of a plastic bottle or something like that. What about if we want to do something like that? That'll give us the cross point for putting a hole through. Yeah. Well, that was fairly simple. Just a right angle with a load of holes in it. So we can change the height. Yeah, that'll do the job. What I usually end up doing when I'm trying to do something like that is use an odd box or something to get the height. So that'll do the job. Let's say I saw that or something like that and thought I'd have a go at printing my own. That's on the lowest quality setting, which is where you can see all the layers on it. Because it's going to take a stupid amount of time with my printer. That was over 4 hours just to print that. If I'd have done it high quality, it was going to be about 11 hours. So, there we are. That works. The holes, obviously, if you haven't got the right size pen, it'll be no use to you whatsoever. But this one just happens to be perfect for that. And good enough for my standard pencils, but it'll rock around a bit, so you either need to keep your finger on it. Or I did think about, so say, wrapping a bit of tape around it or something to make it a tight fit. Or just jam something else in there. Like a toothpick or something, that would hold it still while you did it. Just an extra bit. I was talking about I'd probably be using this for my rubber band powered cars for marking up the bodywork. And it occurred to me, if I jam a rubber band in there, then that holds it tight anyway. There we go. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.